Welcome to Unity Supervisor Call Center. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the interface and show you how you can use it to manage queues and agents. At the top, you have your call control buttons. These help you answer and manage incoming calls, making it really easy to transfer and conference as required. On the left, you have Unavailable, Available and Wrap-Up ACD State buttons. These govern your availability for incoming call center calls. Below that is your personal wallboard. This will show the queues you are an agent or a supervisor of, and summary statistics. My Statistics on the left will show your call stats for today. On the right-hand side, you can see overall queue statistics. If the queue icon is grey and My Statistics is blank, it means you're assigned as a supervisor of the call center, but not as an agent, so you can't directly take calls. In this example, I'm assigned as an agent and supervisor of both call centers. To be able to answer calls, your ACD state must be set to Available. You must be joined to the queue. Just right-click and select Join. And you cannot be on Do Not Disturb. The Contacts panel at the bottom shows up to 30 colleagues and tells you whether they're on the phone or not. As a supervisor, you will mostly use the Agent Activity tab. This lets you choose individual agents or queues to display performance metrics and retasking as conditions require. If you right-click agents, you can join or leave them from the queue or change their ACD state. Here you can also force all agents into a queue, perhaps because there are many calls waiting, and then notify them by instant message. Working together, the Personal Wallboard and Agent Activity tab allow you to visualize incoming call traffic and make changes as required. The Active Call window will show all incoming calls into your call centers and their position in the queue. If you want to promote a call, just right-click it and promote it to the top. Or you can direct it to a call center or individual agent, or answer it yourself. The statistics displayed in your personal wallboard and your Agent Activity tab can be configured in settings like this. The Agent Activity panel also supports silent monitoring, which is ideal for training scenarios. To listen into a call without the agent or the caller knowing, right-click the agent and select Silent Monitor. The Abandoned Calls tab provides a list of calls that have been abandoned. For example, these calls are abandoned to the sales line. Just right-click and select an agent to assign them.